Do you like trees? Yes, I like trees very much. They make the air fresh and give us shade. In my town, there are many trees along the streets and in the park. I like sitting under a tree to read or rest. Trees make me feel calm and happy. I think we should plant more trees.
Do you like trees?
Yes, I like them very much.
Why are trees important?
They make the air fresh and give shade.
Where can you see trees in your area?
Along the streets and in the park.
What do you like to do under a tree?
I like to read or rest.
How do trees make you feel?
They make me feel calm and happy.
What do you think people should do?
We should plant more trees.